We've been talking about pinching off flowers to create a more bushy, full plant, and we had some questions on when to pinch off your dahlias, and so let me show you right here with this one. It's time for my pom-pom dahlias to be pinched off, and so here's what you're going to look for. You want to look for 8 to 12 inches tall, and you want to have at least 3 to 4 sets of fully developed leaves, which you can see that we have around here. Now this one's like maybe almost 8 inches tall or right at 8 inches. But the part we're going to pinch off is that new growth right there in the center. It doesn't look fully developed like the rest of the leaves do. And I'm just going to go in with my snips and snip off that center. And after we do this, this will create a more full plant with more dahlia blooms, which is definitely what I'm going for. So I'm just going to go along and check and see. Now these small ones right here, I'm not going to pinch those off yet because they're not very tall. Now I, for years, grew flowers where I didn't pinch off, and then I started doing it a couple years ago, and it really does make a big difference. It encourages your plant to send out more shoots instead of one tall main stem. And the more stems that you have coming off, the more blooms you're going to get. So this is something you'll want to do if your goal is to grow more flowers.